such long necks?
Well, Gina, we need to look into genes. No, Gina, it's a different kind of genes. We need to talk about evolution. Back to the giraffes in a minute, but first, Charles Darwin. Working in the 1850s, Darwin realised that creatures change very slowly over time, becoming better and better adapted to their environments. For example, Darwin looked at birds and he saw that some birds had different shaped beaks to others. He realised that the birds' beaks had changed to make it easier for them to eat whatever kind of food they preferred. So, some birds had long, thin probing beaks to get at insects, while others had big, strong, crushing beaks to get at nuts. This guy, Alfred Wallace, had similar ideas around the same time, but it's Darwin who is famous for working out where species came from. Darwin worked out that these adaptations, such as different shaped beaks, make the birds better adapted to their environment because they find it easier to find food, and because of this they are more likely to survive. If they are more likely to survive, then they are more likely to have offspring, and then these adaptations are passed on to the next generation of birds. Darwin said that the fittest, by which he means the best adapted creatures, were more likely to survive. This is a famous phrase, survival of the fittest. The creatures which change most readily and adapt to their environment are the ones that are most likely to survive. Gradual change over millions and millions and millions of years led to creatures becoming different. Eventually, they were so different that they were different species, and today we have thousands of different species. It wasn't until much later that scientists discovered that genes are the mechanism which pass information from generation to generation. Genes describe how the new organism should work. The genes which code for successful adaptations are more likely to be passed on because those creatures are more likely to have offspring. Oh dear, there's a really useful food source up there, but this short-necked giraffe can't reach it because its neck's too short. Oh no, the short-necked giraffe has starved to death. Hooray! Millions of years of random genetic mutation have led to the evolution of a long-necked giraffe. It's much better at getting the high food. The long-necked giraffe will pass on the genes that code for long-neckedness onto its giraffe babies. The short-necked giraffe won't pass on its genes to its babies because it can't have any babies because it's dead, because it's got a short neck.
That's survival of the fittest.
That's right, Gina.